here we are, we're looking at revenue and we're looking at customers, and they're both growing, to the right. So they're getting bigger over time, but we're also seeing that we're not growing the revenue as much as we are growing the number of customers. So our customer base is growing faster than our revenue. And so we're trying to make a point that way, but that may not be the best way. So in this case here, we might want to use a calculated metric. So we do the calculated revenue per customer, and we can clearly see that revenue over time is going down per customer as we grow our customer base. We might want to give context, and because people might say, well, is that bad? And then we say, yeah, it's kind of bad because we're actually lower than what we were the year prior. And so that is a bad trend. Another thing we might want to do in terms of helping people to kind of look at data, here, this chart is not bad. It's showing safety incidents by plants. Now, if we want people to kind of discern, well, which plants are performing well or bad, maybe we do the math for them and we do the year-to-year variance between each of these. And so we can clearly see, okay, plant 1 and 2 and 5 are actually up in terms of safety incidents, which is not a good thing. And then plant 3 and 4 are actually down in terms of their incidents. So we can facilitate their views of the data by doing these different things.